Welcome to HN Kids World. Happy to learn.
Hello, future inventors. Welcome to today's Explainer. We are diving right in today because we are going on an absolutely amazing adventure to discover artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Let's step into our futuristic classroom and figure out exactly how smart machines learn and help us out every single day. So, what exactly does AI mean? And can computers actually think? To help us figure this out, I want you to meet our friendly robotic guide, Robo. Now, looking at Robo, you might be wondering, is AI just another kind of brain? Does a machine think exactly like we do? Well, let's find out. Section 1. What is AI? Discovering the digital brain. Simply put, artificial intelligence means teaching computers and robots to learn, solve problems, and make decisions. It's almost like how humans learn, but as Robo would totally tell you, it is not a real human brain. AI doesn't have feelings or emotions. Instead, it's a super clever computer program that looks at information, recognizes patterns, and learns from them. Just picture a glowing digital brain lighting up and connecting your tablets, phones, and smart speakers so they can solve problems and help you out. Moving on to Section 2, AI in your everyday life. It's literally everywhere. Seriously, you probably use AI every single day without even realizing it. When you use Face Unlock on a tablet, that is AI recognizing your features. When you ask a voice assistant for the weather, AI is the thing tracking down the answer. It's the magic behind GPS navigation on your family's phone so you don't get lost. It translates different languages than real time, it recommends those videos you love to watch, and it can even turn on your smart home lights with just a simple voice command. Pretty cool, right? Section 3. How do computers learn? Because practice makes perfect. So how exactly does AI learn to do all of that cool stuff? Well, it looks at examples, tons and tons of examples. Imagine a cute little baby robot looking at thousands of colorful pictures flashing by. Cats, dogs, birds, cars. First, it looks at all those examples. Second, it makes a guess and actually learns from its mistakes, with the wrong answers gently transforming into correct ones. And finally, third, it earns a gold star and gets just a little bit smarter every single time. It's exactly like when you practice reading or riding a bike. AI just gets better the more it practices. And to put that into perspective, because of this massive practice process, some robots can recognize hundreds of different objects just by using their AI. They scan the shapes, the colors, and the patterns, and their digital brains just figure it out in a flash. Section 4. Amazing helpful robots. AI in action. AI doesn't just live inside your phone. It powers incredible robots that do some seriously amazing jobs out in the real world. Robot vacuums use AI to clean your floors all by themselves. Giant factory robots build cars super fast and safely. Some hospitals even use robots to help doctors perform surgery with perfect precision. And get this, AI helps robots avoid bumping into walls by using special cameras, which means they can even deliver groceries right to your front door. Here's a really fun piece of trivia for you. Did you know the word robot actually comes from an old word meaning worker? Yep, they were specifically designed to be our helpful workers, taking on the heavy lifting to make our lives easier. Oh, and bonus fun fact, some of these robots can genuinely dance better than most humans. Beep boop, watch them go. And their jobs aren't just limited to planet Earth. NASA uses robots to explore planets where humans literally can't go yet. Because robots don't sleep, and they only need electricity to keep going, scientists use them to explore the deepest parts of the ocean and the farthest reaches of outer space. They act as our eyes and ears in the most extreme places you can imagine. Section 5. You are the real hero. Humans versus machine. Now, let's compare AI's skills to your skills. Sure, a robot can solve a giant math problem in a split second. It can sort boxes perfectly in a factory, and it never ever sleeps. But you have human superpowers. You have imagination and creativity. You have kindness, real emotions, the ability to hug your friends, play a musical instrument, and paint a masterpiece. A robot might be incredibly fast, but only humans have a real heart. So remember, even though AI is super smart, people are absolutely the real heroes of this story. Humans are the ones with the imagination to invent the future. AI is just a really helpful tool that makes our jobs easier. It is definitely not here to replace us. Section 6. Fun quiz. Let's test your knowledge. All right, future inventors, let's step onto our bright game show stage. It is time for a quick interactive quiz to see what you took away from this explainer. Are you ready? Question number 1. Think back to our baby robot looking at all those pictures. Can AI learn from examples? Go ahead, shout out your answer. Yes, you got it. Cue the virtual confetti. AI learns from thousands of examples, getting smarter every single time, exactly like practicing riding a bike. All right, question number 2 is up on the board. Does AI have real feelings? Think about the difference between robots and humans for a second. The answer is no. Spot on. While robots are amazing helpers, they don't have hearts. Humans are the ones with real emotions, kindness, and creativity. Final question. I want you to shout out your absolute favorite answer from today. Name one thing AI helps people do. There's so many right answers here, so let's hear them. Those are awesome answers. Seriously, I am so impressed. AI helps us explore space, it translates languages on our tablets, it helps doctors do tricky surgeries, and yeah, it even cleans up our living rooms. The possibilities are honestly endless when humans and AI team up. Section 7. The future belongs to you. Keep learning. You did a fantastic job today. You just learned what artificial intelligence is and exactly how it helps people every single day. Under this glowing night sky, I want to leave you with one final thought. The future belongs to young learners just like you. Now that you know AI is simply a tool waiting for a human's imagination, what amazing questions are you going to ask next, future inventor? Stay curious, keep exploring, and keep learning. Thanks for joining me on this explainer adventure.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more educational videos. Happy to learn!